Hello, welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Notion AI website for gathering or collecting your meeting notes in just a few seconds. You just need to connect this with your meeting link and it will start doing the live transcription of your meeting notes, and it will also write down your important highlights of the meeting. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, we will go to the Google website, and here we will search Notion AI. Okay, so you will get this kind of website on the front, notionai.com. So I will just simply click on the Notion AI. Okay, so that's the website, that's the AI workspace that works for you. You don't have to do anything, you just need to connect your apps and it will automatically do each and everything. So I will create an account with the help of my Google account. Okay, so my account is almost created over the Notion AI website. After signing up, you will get your dashboard, which is like getting started. So let's do it for personal, and on my own I'll be tracking, and let's skip it for now. By the way, you can also have its web application or desktop application, so you don't have to visit website again and again over again. So we have got our website. You can use this simple Notion AI feature for doing like you can transcribe your meeting notes. You just need to upload your meeting notes here, and it will just you have to upload your audio, and it will just write down all the transcription here. Okay, so that's all about Notion here and how you can use it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.